episode of how you can do it too. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I'm putting rustic old tin for siding on my house. I put up all double insulated windows. I'm keeping this black, that's the original form, and you can see where I put in I believe it's called a Z strip, Z channel, whatever, above the windows. And actually I put flash in above the trim so water will run off of that. Let me go on around here. Let's see. You can see I'm going to actually be building a deck off of here too. Kind of a slow process, but oh, there's Chubbs. Hey Chubbs, you're a good boy. I got a video of me rusting some tin, and it was pretty much new, but that one right there and that one right there, me and the wife rusted, and I'll try to put a link down if you don't have old tin. These are some lanterns I bought online that are wired, and I put a flickering flame light in it at night. It looks really cool. And stuff. Chubbs, you're being a good boy. But okay, and you see where I stopped right there, and I'll be doing a time lapse of putting up the rest of the tin because we had to rust some more because they're again ran out. But you can see painted black around the windows because I'm trimming the tin out up against the windows. That way the white won't show through. There again, I got some flashing above the window. You can see the U channel I put up. I'll tuck the tin up under there, keep everything snug. And right here, I got the cable box, and I'm just going to run it behind the tin, tuck it in right here. And if I ever have to get to it, it's real easy to take off the tin. It's only like I believe like 12 screws that holds it all in. But I'll tuck that cable in behind the tin, and I'll try to do a time lapse on me installing it as I go, and then at the end I'll show you the finished product. And there you have it. Got it all up and completed. This is the side that didn't have done. That's a piece right there I had to rust a little more. Might change the color on that, but that's the cable box. Tucked it all in behind, but again, there you go. And you've seen the rest of the house, but that's basically what it looks like. And I hope you enjoyed this, and please comment and like and share, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you. All right.